Welcome back to Mindset. Today, we're uncovering a powerful truth. Rejection is not the enemy, it's a secret weapon. In this video, we explore 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor, guided by reverse psychology and the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. If you've ever felt defeated by a no or let setbacks dictate your path, this video will change your perspective. Here we learn to transform rejection into fuel for growth, resilience, and inner strength. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss practical advice to strengthen your mindset. Let's transform rejection into opportunity. Lesson 1. Embrace rejection as a catalyst for growth. Rejection is often seen as a setback, but what if you viewed it as a spark for growth? Marcus Aurelius once wrote that every obstacle presents a new path forward. When you encounter rejection, consider it a signal that you're testing boundaries and expanding your comfort zone. Think about it. Each no is an invitation to refine your approach and improve. Embrace rejection as the catalyst that drives you to become better and more determined. Lesson 2. Reframe rejection as constructive feedback. Often, rejection feels like a personal failure. However, it's really feedback from life. Each rejection tells you what doesn't work, so you can adjust your approach. By reframing rejection as feedback, you take the power away from the negative feelings it can cause. Adopt the mindset that every rejection is an opportunity to learn. Ask yourself, what can I change next time? This simple shift in perspective will help you grow both personally and professionally. Lesson 3. Understand that rejection is not personal. When facing rejection, remember that it is rarely about you as a person. There are external factors at play, timing, circumstances, or even the perspective of the other party. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that external events are beyond our control, but our responses are ours to command. By internalizing this lesson, you can let go of self-blame and instead focus on how you can improve. Understand that rejection is simply part of the process, not a reflection of your worth. Lesson 4. Transform rejection into determination. Rejection has a unique power. It can ignite determination. When you are turned down, let it stoke the fire of resolve within you. Use that moment of disappointment as the fuel to prove to yourself that you are capable of achieving even more. Marcus Aurelius would advise us to meet obstacles head-on. With every rejection, remind yourself that you're only one step closer to success. Channel your disappointment into unwavering determination to succeed. Lesson 5. Learn from every setback. Every rejection carries a lesson. Instead of letting setbacks discourage you, analyze them. Ask, what did I learn? What can I do differently next time? This reflective practice is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius kept personal reflections to learn from every encounter, good or bad. In the same way, maintain a journal or simply pause to think about what each rejection has taught you. Over time, these lessons will build a solid foundation for future success. Lesson 6. Use reverse psychology on yourself. reverse psychology, isn't just for influencing others. It can work wonders for yourself. Challenge your inner critic by deliberately thinking about the worst-case scenario. Then use that thought as motivation to prove yourself wrong. For example, if you're afraid of being rejected, set a small goal where rejection is a possible outcome. As you prepare, remind yourself, if I can handle this, I can handle anything. This approach forces you to confront your fears and grow from them. Lesson 7. Prepare mentally for rejection. Preparation is key to handling rejection. Just as athletes train physically, training your mind for rejection can set you up for success. Anticipate that rejection is a natural part of the journey and build mental resilience accordingly. Practice mindfulness or meditation to center your thoughts. Remind yourself daily that rejection is merely an event, not a measure of your self-worth. This mental preparedness will help you stay calm and focused when faced with adversity. Lesson 8. Set clear goals and expectations. When you set clear goals, rejection becomes simply another piece of data. Knowing what you want and what success looks like helps you quickly identify when a rejection is simply a step in the process. Create measurable and realistic goals. Then, break them down into actionable steps. With clear expectations, you can see that each rejection is just a signal to adjust your strategy rather than a permanent setback. Lesson 9. Cultivate inner strength. Inner strength is built through adversity. Marcus Aurelius teaches us that true power comes from within. When you face rejection, focus on building your inner resolve instead of seeking validation from external sources. Strengthen your mind by practicing gratitude and focusing on your achievements, no matter how small. Over time, this inner fortitude will allow you to remain calm and confident in the face of any rejection. Lesson 10. See rejection as a sign of risk-taking. Rejection is often a byproduct of taking risks. If you are not facing rejection, you may be playing it too safe. Embrace rejection as evidence that you are pushing your limits and exploring new opportunities. Risk-taking is a key ingredient for success. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you expose yourself to the possibility of rejection, but also to the chance for extraordinary achievement. In 2025, make risk-taking your ally. Lesson 11. Practice self-compassion. While using rejection as a tool for growth, it's essential to be kind to yourself. Self-compassion allows you to recover quickly and maintain a balanced mindset. Recognize that everyone faces rejection, and it does not diminish your value. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that the journey is long and full of obstacles. Being gentle with yourself, especially during setbacks, will help you bounce back stronger. Treat yourself as you would a dear friend, with understanding and encouragement. Lesson 12. Seek out rejection to accelerate growth. An unusual but powerful idea. Sometimes you must intentionally seek rejection. When you expose yourself to challenging situations, you build resilience faster. Whether it's applying for a job you think is out of reach or putting your work out there despite the fear of critique, These actions build character. By inviting rejection, you remove its sting. With each experience, you learn to face adversity head on. Remember, growth often requires stepping into discomfort. Lesson 13. Turn rejection into a roadmap for success. In our final lesson, see rejection as a roadmap. Every rejection is a marker pointing you toward a new direction or better approach. Instead of mourning a missed opportunity, analyze what the experience reveals about your path. Marcus Aurelius taught that obstacles are not dead ends, but invitations to innovate. Use rejection as a guide. Reflect on what each experience teaches you and adjust your journey accordingly. Over time, these lessons will collectively lead you to success. Let's take a moment to recap. Today, we explored 13 lessons, from embracing rejection as growth to turning setbacks into a roadmap for success. These lessons, inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and the concept of reverse psychology, remind us that every no can become a stepping stone if we choose to see it differently. Each lesson is an invitation to build resilience, cultivate inner strength, and use rejection as a powerful tool on your journey. I encourage you to take one or more of these lessons and put them into practice this week. Thank you for spending these moments with me as we explored how to transform rejection into your greatest ally. Remember, every setback is an opportunity in disguise. If you found value in today's 13 lessons, please show your support by giving this video a like and sharing it with someone who could use a boost of resilience. I'd love to hear from you. Which lesson resonated with you the most? Have you ever used rejection to propel yourself forward? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights might inspire someone else on their path. If you're ready to change the way you handle rejection and take control of your future, subscribe to Mindset for more insights and actionable advice on building a stronger mindset. Together, we can transform every rejection into a stepping stone for success. Until next time, keep challenging yourself, stay resilient, and let every no lead you to an even greater yes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.